Royal shocking news. Prince Andrew facing police report regarding allegations in recent Jeffrey Epstein documents. Prince Andrew is facing police scrutiny following allegations raised in recently disclosed court documents related to Jeffrey Epstein. In the initial batch of about 1,000 pages released earlier this week, the Duke of York is accused of engaging in inappropriate activities with underage girls, including an alleged orgy and touching a woman's breast while posing with a puppet resembling himself. Prince Andrew strongly denies these claims. A subsequent release of 300 additional pages on Thursday, connected to the legal proceedings against Epstein's associate Ghislaine Maxwell, brings forward accusations that Prince Andrew sexually assaulted a minor in London. While these allegations likely echo those previously made by Ms. Jeffrey, which were settled by Prince Andrew in a U.S. civil court without admission of liability, a campaign group is demanding answers, asserting that the royals should not be exempt from the law. These documents, part of the case against Ghislaine Maxwell, have once again placed Prince Andrew in the public eye. While they do not introduce significant new allegations about Epstein or his associates, Republic's CEO, Graham Smith, has reported Prince Andrew to the police, expressing concern over the lack of a thorough criminal investigation, interviews with the accused or other witnesses, and a clear justification for inaction by the authorities to date. I am urging the Metropolitan Police to reopen this case. I am calling on members of Parliament to discuss this matter in the Parliament, and I am urging Prince Charles to issue a public statement, facing the press and answering questions, addressing these allegations and their implications for the monarchy. Prince Andrew is mentioned 67 times in recently unsealed documents related to Jeffrey Epstein, alongside other notable figures. There is no indication that these individuals were aware of Epstein's crimes or participated in any wrongdoing. The unsealed documents are part of a 2015 lawsuit against Ghislaine Maxwell by one of Epstein's victims, Ms. Jeffrey. She, along with numerous other women, sued Epstein, alleging abuse at his residences in Florida, New York, the U.S. Virgin Islands, and New Mexico. Ms. Jeffrey stated that at 17, she was enticed away from her job at Trump's Mar-a-Lago club to work as a masseuse for Epstein, involving engaging in sexual acts. She also claimed Epstein pressured her to have sexual relations with men in his social circle, including Prince Andrew, former New Mexico Gov. Bill Richardson, former U.S. Sen. George Mitchell, and billionaire Glenn Dubin, among others. All those men have denied her allegations. In 2022, Jeffrey reached an out-of-court settlement with Prince Andrew after accusing him in a U.S. civil case of forcing her into sex 3 times at the age of 17. The settlement does not imply guilt, and Prince Andrew continues to deny any wrongdoing. In the same year, Jeffrey withdrew an accusation against Epstein's former attorney, law professor Alan Dershowitz, stating she may have made a mistake in identifying him as an abuser. A spokesperson for the Metropolitan Police stated, "We are aware of the release of court documents in relation to Jeffrey Epstein. As with any matter, should new and relevant information be brought to our attention, we will assess it. No investigation has been launched."